speed bump sound effects. Old people, bus stop, girl in the pink top. I'm getting a bit giddy, and this dude wants to overtake me. Don't know why it's a 30 limit, and I'm doing 30, and you're a fucking idiot. SpongeBob SquarePants, do-do-do-do. SpongeBob SquarePants, do-do-do-do. I like you need to brake now for your speed camera. Yeah, I'm still doing the same 30. That's amazing. More a bit silly. I think that became the Archers then, about halfway through humming the tune. And I need somewhere iconic and I'll take a picture. The people that have been here. Oh, sound effects. All the people turning up ready for the debauched evening of drink, excessive behaviour. So there is sunny Blackpool. I'm a bit older, but very wibbly and nice. And that's it, Blackpool done, as requested. Been to Central Pier. Have to order some more L plates. I'm trying to look at a different way of mounting it as well. Either that will tighten the suspension up a bit. Sure it's not boingy, 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 boingy. That Tigger. The wonderful thing about Tiggers are a wonderful thing, because they can bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Do you remember when you were a kid and Blackpool was amazing? And you come and see the lights and you'd be standing up on the seats with your head out the top of the car if you had a sunroof if you're posh. Your dad was senior enough to have a GXL Corti, you know, you could stand on the seat with your head out the Wabasto. Fantastic. And all 4 lanes would be in one direction going through the lights because that many people wanted to come and see them. So you could only travel one way through the lights. And if you got stuck behind a coach you saw bugger all. Them were the days. Blackpool in its heyday.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Let's call that a day because I know the battery's about to die. Thanks for joining, Doodles. Hope you enjoyed a ride out to Blackpool. I'm sort of back again. Might get out again over the weekend. If not on the bike in the Mev or the Westfield. Hopefully do another recording for you then. Latest, Doodles. Bye bye.